I'm going to show you how to connect to desktop mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 smartphone directly to your Amazon Fire TV via cable here. So really quickly, while I'm already connected, simply you have a touchpad on here, that bottom left hand side, that little keyboard right there, you can tap that. And now you have a mouse, as you can see there. Okay, so really quickly, let's open up settings. If you want to scroll down or up, you have to use two fingers. You can see it right there. Let's go ahead and just close it. If I want to disconnect, I could just go ahead and pull the plug. Okay, so if you want to connect using a cable, you have to get one of these. Okay, it's an HDMI to a USB-C. I'll put a link below where you can get this, but you can get it in 3 feet, 6 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet, and so on. So simply put the HDMI part to the TV and the USB-C, connect to your Samsung phone. And now you also have to make sure you're on the correct HDMI port. Okay, I'm obviously already on there. If it wasn't, it wouldn't give me this wouldn't pop up if I wasn't on the right HDMI input. Okay, so if nothing popped up, you have to go into your settings. Like I'll go to the home here and just go to inputs. You got to go to home, and then you have to go to inputs right there and select that, and then it's usually the one that's highlighted. Okay, so HDMI 2 is highlighted, so then you would just select that, and then there you go. And like I said, when you connect it, you got the touchpad right there. Go ahead and move around. If you want to close this touchpad to get back to the phone, the X, you just double tap, just like that. You want to disconnect, pull the plug. Pretty simple.